Hey pretty people, after a very long time I'm back with the Get Ready With Me video. I'm done with prepping and priming my face, so I'm going directly with a 1 or 2 shade darker concealer to hide my pigmentation. If your pigmentation is really dark, you can also use an orange corrector before the concealer. I'm starting to blend my foundation using a brush which will be followed by a beauty blender for a very smooth and satin finish. Now to brighten up my under eyes and all the areas where I need to highlight, I'm using a lighter shade of concealer. Now to give that chisel look and a 3D dimension to the face and hide that double chin, I'm using a contouring powder. अब contouring करनी कितनी है that totally depends on your goal. कितना chisel look आपको चाहिए, but blend it properly. It should be seamless. Finally, I'm using my bronzer cum blusher by Bobbi Brown. And after this, just set everything using a dry powder. अगर आपको ब्राउज फिल नहीं करनी है, यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट ब्राउ जेल इंस्टेड. अब जादू से हमने अपना आई मेकअप तो कर लिया है, सो नेक्स्ट वी वुड कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द लिप्स. Make sure you apply a lip liner before any other bullet lipstick or liquid lipstick. And now it's time for my most favorite highlighter from Becca. And finally, just set everything using a setting spray.